I've been neglecting gin on this channel for quite a while because most of my videos don't get views. However, if you keep asking, so coming up, I've got a lovely kind of gin, apricot, honey. Oh, it's tasty. Welcome back, boys and girls. Yeah, I thought I'd revisit gin. I know I haven't probably a long time. I haven't done gin stuff on this channel, a long time. But I thought I'd revisit. Haven't tried this yet, but this is really cool. Now, we've got a name for this. A big shout out to Ross. Well done, Ross, from my little membership community there. Ross, I think your name was cool. We have called it Apricot Got Time for That. There we go. Apricot Got Time for That. I also have to give out honourable mention. All you legends, all you know, there were loads of name suggestions on this. I narrowed it down to 4. Ross actually got a second one in here, Time to Get Buzzing. I really like that because that's kind of cool. So that was my second choice for him. So he got first and second. Got Mr. Thomas, Mark Thomas, from London to the Med. Again, that's very apt when you see the ingredients coming up. And then Georgina, she's got Time Me Up. Now, she went down a whole rabbit hole. I won't go into details, but she went down a whole kinky rabbit hole with her name. So, yeah, we'll leave that one there. Is there something you're trying to tell us, Georgine? Right, this cocktail is absolutely stunning. I'm not a huge one for gin cocktails. I really like that. It's the sharpness of the lemon juice in there. The juniper notes punch through. We've got apricots, we've got a bit of honey in there. Oh, and the thyme. The thyme is just steadily infusing into that. That is a proper classy summertime sipper. Right, let's just quickly run you through the ingredients. Obviously, I've got my London dry gin to go there. I've got Giffard's Posh Apricot Liqueur, stunning, easily the best from me, easily the best apricot liqueur on the market. I've got, which way around is it? I've got some honey syrup, I've got some sugar syrup, I've got some grapefruit bitters, I've got Fever Tree's Mediterranean Tonic, the refreshingly light, low calorie version. Oh, we can't get the full fat. I'll stop whinging about that. It's been 2 years, Barman, it's been 2 years. And some fresh lemon juice. And then I've got some thyme and a little bit of grapefruit to garnish. So let's cracketh oneth. 45ml, 1.5 ounces of your favourite London dry gin. 45. Lovely jubbly. Almost a double bubble, almost. Then we'll go for some apricot liqueur. It's a 15ml, half an ounce of apricot liqueur. Go. I'm going to split the difference on the old sugars. So I want 15ml of sugar in total. So I'm going 7.5ml of, which one's first? Honey syrup. It's just make it your own. If you don't want to buy it, just make it yourself. Equal amounts of, 2 parts honey to 1 part hot water. Stir it down, dissolve it, just so it's more runny. But you can have a play with so many different honeys that way. You know, every honey's. I talk about this a lot because I do use honey a lot in rum cocktails. You know, when bees, I have 7.5ml of this. When of sugar. When bees are kind of doing their thing, you know, all honeys are going to taste different because they're cross-pollinating different plants. So all honeys are going to taste completely different. So we've got that. Lemon juice, I need to go in there. So 30ml, 1 ounce of lemon juice. Of that. Oh, nearly. There's a bit left. And there, so obviously my fizzy stuff is going to go afterwards. I'm going to spritz the glass with my grapefruit, so I'm not going to add them to it. Right, just going to ice this down. So give it a good old welly. Where's my shaker? There it is. Right, high flask, take 12. Right. Let's get the formalities done now. So, Mediterranean, Fever Tree Mediterranean Tonic. I add this to the shaker so I don't have to stir the cocktail afterwards. It's already pre-mixed. They're 150ml tinnies. I reckon 2/3 of a can, 100ml. So, 50. Double bubble. 50. A double bubble. 50 and 100. That should leave you, you can add the whole can if you want, but it should leave you a little bit in there. Right, let's do the old magical tricks. What glass? We're using that glass. Oh, I kind of like this glass. Another new glass from Drink Stuff. I've got my grapefruit bitters there. Yeah, ready to go. I always do this, don't I? 3 spritzes, 1 for luck. 1, 2. Oh, I'm going to keep it at 3. Oh, that's so good. love these grapefruit bitters. Oh, right. Let's go properly. Let's go. Let's be all professional for once. Right. I'm just going to single strain. You can shake and dump. Of course you can. There we go. Oh, he's done well, isn't he? He's done well. Oh. He's done well. I'd almost class myself as professional. Garnish. Obviously, grapefruit. Make it look pretty there. And then the sprig of mint. Kind of let's just bash it. Oh yeah, get the little flavours out. That'll infuse around there, and there we go. If you want some more gin cocktails, I promise there are a few on my channel. They'll pop it up on screen. There'll be a couple of playlists and videos for you to dive into. As always, and if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel.